The possibility of alien life has been a topic of scientific inquiry and popular imagination for decades. The discovery of exoplanets, or planets orbiting other stars, has fueled speculation about the existence of intelligent extraterrestrial life. However, the possibility of contacting alien life raises important questions about the potential consequences of such an encounter. One theory that has been proposed to address these questions is the dark forest hypothesis. The dark forest hypothesis is based on the idea that intelligent civilizations in the universe are likely to be rare and widely separated in space and time. The universe is vast and ancient, with billions of galaxies containing billions of stars, and yet we have no evidence of other intelligent civilizations in our own galaxy. This could be because they are deliberately hiding, for fear of being detected by other potentially hostile civilizations. The dark forest hypothesis draws on the analogy of a dark forest, where every civilization is like a hunter stalking through the trees, trying to avoid being detected by other hunters. In such a forest, it is safer to remain hidden, even at the cost of missing out on potential opportunities for communication or cooperation. This could explain why we have not yet detected any signs of extraterrestrial intelligence, despite decades of searching. The dark forest hypothesis is a response to the Fermi paradox, which asks the question, where is everybody? The paradox arises from the apparent contradiction between the high probability of the existence of intelligent extraterrestrial life and the lack of evidence for it. The dark forest hypothesis offers a possible explanation for this paradox, by suggesting that civilizations are deliberately hiding from each other. However, the dark forest hypothesis also raises important ethical and philosophical questions. If intelligent civilizations are deliberately hiding from each other, what does this say about our place in the universe? Are we condemned to isolation and loneliness, or are there ways in which we can reach out and make contact with other civilizations? And if we do make contact, what are the potential consequences for our own civilization? The dark forest hypothesis is just one of many possible explanations for the Fermi paradox and the question of whether or not we are alone in the universe. It highlights the need for caution and humility in our search for extraterrestrial life, and the importance of considering the potential consequences of any contact with other civilizations. Ultimately, the search for alien life is a journey of discovery that raises important questions about our place in the cosmos and our relationship to other forms of life in the universe. Alien life has long captured the human imagination, with countless stories, movies, and TV shows exploring the idea of extraterrestrial beings. However, as scientists continue to discover more exoplanets, or planets orbiting other stars, the possibility of finding real-life alien life becomes more feasible. But what if we do find alien life? What are the potential consequences? This is where the dark forest hypothesis comes in. The dark forest hypothesis is a theory that proposes that intelligent civilizations in the universe are rare and widely separated in space and time. The hypothesis draws on the analogy of a dark forest, where every civilization is like a hunter stalking through the trees, trying to avoid being detected by other hunters. In such a forest, it is safer to remain hidden, even at the cost of missing out on potential opportunities for communication or cooperation. This could explain why we have not yet detected any signs of extraterrestrial intelligence, despite decades of searching. One of the primary concerns of the dark forest hypothesis is the potential risks associated with making contact with an alien civilization. The hypothesis suggests that if there are other intelligent civilizations out there, they may be deliberately hiding from us, as they perceive us to be a potential threat. From our perspective, we may also perceive other civilizations as potential threats, which could lead to a shoot first, ask questions later mentality. This could ultimately lead to the destruction of both civilizations. Furthermore, even if we do find alien life that is not actively hiding from us, there are other potential risks. For example, we could introduce harmful bacteria or viruses to each other, leading to a pandemic. Additionally, our very existence could be threatened if we discover a more advanced civilization that decides we are no longer necessary. Despite these potential risks, the search for alien life continues. Scientists are exploring different methods for detecting signs of life on other planets, such as the presence of oxygen in the atmosphere or chemical signatures that suggest the existence of organic compounds. In recent years, several exoplanets have been discovered that may be capable of supporting life, including Proxima Centauri b, a rocky planet in the habitable zone of the closest star to our solar system. The discovery of alien life, if it were to happen, would be one of the most significant scientific discoveries in human history. It could fundamentally alter our understanding of the universe and our place in it. However, the dark forest hypothesis reminds us that we must proceed with caution and consider the potential risks of making contact with other civilizations. In conclusion, the search for alien life is an exciting and ongoing scientific endeavor. However, the potential risks associated with making contact with other civilizations, as proposed by the dark forest hypothesis, must be taken seriously. As we continue to explore the universe, we must proceed with caution and consider the potential consequences of any contact with other forms of intelligent life. Thanks for watching.